Bullgod a bebre na twa ne shot eye bulldog na one nana mama brown etra united showbiz wa odi ekuku dampa na se what show no 24/7 ewo eye united showbiz ebra nana mama brown host to that show no se sia de minim bebia owo na wonim se ye ka se obi a strong supporter of NDC a eye Bullgod you obi a oye very strong support pa ema eye NDC amambo no na bulldog ede eye woni anase duabo kase pa anase nnome kase pa de abeto ama o mampani dada na Akufo Addo se na Akufo Addo de wo bebre pa anso wo bewi nensa enum nyina free so ansa wakanani eguso ansa wakanani eguso ede entina bulldog ede san nnome nsem egu o mampani dada yenim se ja wabaye na dwuma pa wi a penny baby adala ade ogene nana no ma adwen ho no na no mesem wenso de denti na bulldog wo kasa enu mesem mayenti ono ankasa na enu mesem tie na so ode sa enu mesem ede mane o mampani dada Akufo Addo
oye a card bearing NDC member anasisen
there be
unye card bearing
yes
unia NDC card
there be mean fire you know but I mean by the right time
now and watch it aden
oh you know and yeah it's not about being a card bearing member. It's about believing in the ideals and ideas of the party. I've always shared the ideals. Me a woman, not Rolling Stone, you know, no holding idea. And my mom has always loved Rollings. So you grew up in that era.
Yeah.
Then now one Kazawa dream from then you compare both Akufo, you know what I'm saying? So then you now come and now make an informed judgment. So it's not about bearing a card. It's about contributing your quota to what you believe in, and I believe I've done so for a very long time. Oh yes, forever.
I'm saying you don't like MPP at all, and you say you don't like them, but I mean, what is it with MPP? You're born MPP crana so both.
Oh, there be that. You're born Nana Akufo Addo din na both. Oh yes. Oh, very.
Ti Akufo di an wini problem.
Oh, Debbie.
Alankas wini problem.
Oh, Debbie.
Nana Addo din na problem.
Yes, I mean, I have godfathers in the MPP. Me time no more abemu kra me wuchi me to from oh no mo sort of faha koye we you know so yes I have people like that in the MPP and I'll forever have them as friends.
Na boni ben na na do dia yo
oh obese mejuma
okay
ejuma ben xylophone ejuma ono no begu ejuma no what you say no or same investment Men's Gold about 1 million Ghana cedis Men's Gold me no can say yes getting to that and sascan me nim say ochina beba and as ochina emba now even if 1 million Ghana cedis comes to me today it doesn't make sense anymore so it's about 500,000 Ghana cedis yes cause inflation achino so for me forever I don't hold hatred in my heart but Nana Akufo Addo was wrong for this country. You know, onu bia, onu cry ne opia so be cry echano. He doesn't deserve it or any parfum pa.
Nana Addo.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
Ex-president.
Onu bia because he did not treat Ghana with respect and kindness. And Nipa, that's all we have. You have to treat people with respect and kindness. Want to me and yes, then you cease to be a human being, and then we are boa. Yeah, straight because a boa nebe uno nipa hu nipa, so bu nipa, when bu nipa.
Another bu nipa.
Oh, Debbie, look at the Men's Gold situations on a handle here. Only a finance minister. So the omu ye omu gu no basa. So unim so be uvin so be yes kama. Before I also emphasize also in the pakuni yes kama. No problem. In Crawford, musika kakoshonos, almost yes kama na. There be so you make sure say okay. In Crawford, musika kakoshono, musika. What you say? Musika now with this kama ideally. Now to start with, one bonus kama. Musi only license. How the bay juma. So everyone say net. Me no kase I cry for my running for some time now. You who say money license. Straight away, I don't think the first approach is to shut you down. Because you've been running all these years without it. So, yen to say, okay, more running 10 years without
10 years.
Good. Muntia 10 years you know, because you've become an integral part of what we do in the media space. There's something you are contributing, and then maybe look at the people that amount of people that call. What's here? So now, and now you're closest are there now. Do you know what you have done?
Yeah.
A lot of people have invested in this thing. You have workers here. So you don't just up and do that.
Yeah, for sure.
Udrying penny bears are there, and a son only only finance you understand? It didn't make any sense.
Banks are almost collapsing.
Thank you. So how do you expect someone from? I can never ever. I will not give him any respect. I don't care his age. Age is just a number. When I say what Jane Kahun, he did not act like an intelligent person or a father for all. So when Bumia Mimbu, Mibu Adia Pa, but when Bumia Mimbu, so that's why I don't. Me ti Akufo Addo pena adenu because a trigger nyoma bibiri omo bechi yen me ne ano ne omo sisi yen cars ne ade you know I mean
na no krada I think say Bobi ansa e use sa asem no as an example ha tamwa omo call finance minister fie na MPP for no ka say omo na oka say but you people were on TV and Akufo bi buy till now omo enyi Akufo na mo bia
Debbie and they are there apologizing to the finance minister. Apart from that, me omo buy me fee, omo be che me ko share BN 3 days, me ko share another police cells 3 days. The dungeons, you know, who's saying sorry to me? You know, but I don't need it. So me, nobody in this country can tell me to respect Nana Akufo Addo. Nobody, and I will not respect him till he dies, and he will live a very long and church like painful life. Or be chepa
Nanado.
Yes, or be cheno abre.
Oh
yeah. Oh, they say me no ya sorry anope ye ko ye wu enu Nyankopon adom ya ba sa bro. Ye nam ye kwaku you wake up to die. That's the whole thing. It's a game. What you say into owu there and we should owu ma obia because owu also be wu and na you undani fridge obi andani microphone. Well, but obeche no obebre ono obedi ti say 120 obebre pa ono be fro owu no emba. Oh, facts. Because why in Crofosa and he's put a lot of people in a bad place. So you don't just get up and go. Life will not reward you like that. No more quick. Death, nice, Papa. Death, I saw check. No, dear, why in Crofona, with all the money. And I mean, you can say, Obiti say, your friend saying, secretary to the president, former president,
Mahuno,
Nana Beditu, or one fan, or bread, and you mean, I say, we or your noa, Abia Mikra, Mizumi Bebre, based on what I have done. Obia Benya, you see, life is give and take. Inti Meji or Bebrea, Mamma Ubia, Ubibeba Beji or Meho. Mio Bonia.
Medasi said, we'll train Queen Chua, Macra.